Alright, so this is your chapter 1 and 2 review. On chapter 1 and 2 review, I would like you to see, you need to understand what is objects. So now object right here, bank account is not object. Bank account is not object. Bank account is what? When you do Eclipse, yeah, bank account is a class. Come on. You guys have short-term memory or what? Because don't you do file new class? Bank account is a class. Alright? Once bank account is a class, now I am going to implement. I'm a object right now. Shin account is an object. I'm a entity. Now I can use one or more of bank accounts method. What are the bank account method? What are the bank account method? Can you tell me one method? What are the bank account method? Deposit, withdraw. Is that right? That's because you create it right here. Gentlemen, ladies, because it's right here. It tell you. So bank account right here, okay? And you can use a method. Okay, and over here I use this Shin account. I use what? I use the default constructor too. Okay, so a little bit understand more right now. I need you to understand, even though it's a difficulty, but it's fun. Okay, and you need to understand this so you can continue. All right. So an object is type of class. Okay. So when I create my object here, Shin account. What's Shin account's type? What's Shin account's type? Bank account. Bank account is a class. So an object is a type of class. For example, JFrame, friend equal new friend, JFrame. Friend is an object. JFrame is a class. Rectangle, box, rectangle is a class. Alright, so like today's bank account, TA account equal new bank account. Take a look these two difference. Okay? Ellipse 2D, double, and that's a class. Head is the object. Alright? So let's see the new. What's a new? New is called operator. Okay? New is called operator. Alright, what you do new? New is a special operator. Construct object instance. Alright, so you are going to do new, you actually call a constructor. Whenever you do new, you actually call a constructor. But there are two kinds of constructor here. Okay? One with argument, like TA has 1000. Alright, so rectangle box equal new rectangle 510. Circle C equal new circle 5. 1, no argument. Like me, bank account, Shin account equal new bank account. So JFrame, friend equal new JFrame. Snowman, mySnowman equal new Snowman. Alright, so with argument, you are using mutator constructor. Without argument, you are using default constructor. Understand a little bit better now? Again, what is the difference between parameter and argument? I want you to think parameter like pre. Argument, think after. Pre means before you create your object. That will be on your toolbox. That's okay. So if you want to use a rectangle, and you need to have a double and x, y, w, x. So they told you need to have 4 of these. This 4 is called parameter. Parameter refer to any declaration within the parentheses following the method. So that just tell you that if you want to use this, you must give me a number right there. 4 number, 4 doubles. Then argument are the real number you put in. Okay, for example, right here. So here, this called parameter. Now I'm going to put 5, 10, 30, 50, and 5, 10, 30, 50 are called argument. Okay? What does API stand for? Application Programming Interface. Okay? That means a way for look for the programming book. The API document lists the classes and the method of the Java library. There are 5,000 or more. At least I believe there are more. 5,000 classes built in Java. And programmers have written hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of their own Java classes. Alright? Then Java classes are grouped into package. How you do this class? Important. Okay? Important. Or use new. Alright, so there are something here I want to tell you. On internet or somewhere, we get this quite often, 562 dash blah blah blah. But if you want to remove all dash, then you can use replace all. And when you do dash here, you have to // dash, // dash. You cannot just put dash. / stand for I am going to put a character. Okay, remember this on the exam. And this put quotation, nothing in between, means nothing, replaced by nothing. So if you do like this, you will get, if you 562692091, when you finish, you get a number don't have dash point, that don't have dash. Right, the G2 method allows programmer to fill a triangle shape. Alright, so then you do fill polygon. When you do fill polygon here, you need X point, Y points, and N points. X point is an integer array. Alright, Y point is also an integer array. N point equal 3. Number 8, how do you do pentagon? Pentagon also doesn't matter. Start from triangle is all polygon right now. All polygon. I just take that pentagon, but don't worry, it's all polygon. The thing is, this is 5 array. The array of 5x, array of 5y, endpoint is 5. How do you do hexagon? Same thing, 6 right now. Alright, so 7, 8, 9, 10, all the same are equal right now. A string object river initialized to Mississippi. Then, how do you call the length? River.length. How do you give to draw a circle? 100, 100, and radius 25. I think you already know that because the 100, 100 is the center. 100, 100 is the center. Okay. Is a center here. Alright, that's a center. Okay, radius is 25. So to here, okay, to here, and you want to then you want to go back to left top corner. Then you have to 100 minus 25 becomes 75, 75. Radius 25, diameter is 50. Okay, diameter is 50. I hope you remember that because in the future you have to do everything, design this by yourself. Alright, so give instruction to draw a letter V. This time we do a line right here, a line here, draw a line. Alright, 1030, 1030. Alright, 1030 is right here, and to 3020. Alright, sorry, 00 to 1030, then 1030 to 20. So that's the way you draw it. And if I want you to draw as a letter V, that's easier. Okay, so draw string quotation V, 030. How do you draw a yellow square on a red background? First, you fill a red square. Okay, fill a red square, and fill a small yellow square inside. So set color red. Okay, so we fill a new rectangle, and you fill it right there. 200. Your entire screen is 200, 200. Then set to yellow, and new rectangle right there. Then 50, 50, 100, 100. Okay, so this will be your review. This will be your review. All right, so I